Good morning students. Welcome back in maths video. Myself Pranjal teacher. Already we have completed our lesson number 1 to 4 and you have given the online unit test also. I hope you solved all the example and paper was so easy. Now hereafter you have to listen and watch our videos very properly and very regularly. Then only you can complete your notebook in time. When I check some notebooks, very few notebooks were completed and many were not completed. So next time when we are going to check your notebook, this should not happen. Okay? So now let's concentrate again. Lesson number 5, decimal fractions. Before we start decimal fractions, let me revise some things. In your textbook, page number 29, one example is given. See, I am reading that example, page number 29. Nandu went to a shop to buy a pen, notebook, eraser and paint box. The shopkeeper told him the prices. A pen. Now see here, Nandu went to buy some things in notebooks in shop. So there he brought one pen. So see here, we have to prepare his bill. Okay. So how to prepare a bill when we go to shop and when we buy something or 3 to 4 things, then shopkeeper gives us like this bill. So in that bill, what is the first column is that it is serial number, means 1 2 3 4 how many items we buy. Next is the details, details means what things we buy. Then quantity, how many we brought, and amount means what is the price of that thing. Okay, so here I have written, you look very carefully. So he brought a pen cost 4.5 rupees. So see, first he brought pen and how many? One pen. Each quantity he brought one only and the cost of pen is 4.5 rupees. Now see, 4.5 rupees. How I have written? Rupees 4 and half means 50. Now you should know 1 rupee means 100 paisa. Okay, this is the basic things. 1 rupee means 100 paisa. So half rupee means 50 paisa. So 4.5 rupees means what? 4. This is called decimal point. 4.50. Okay. Next, an eraser 1.5 means second he has brought an eraser. How many? 1. What is the cost of that one eraser? 1.5 means what? 1 rupee and half paisa means 50 paise. Okay. Then third, a notebook 6.5. So he got a notebook, one notebook. So what is the cost of that? 6 rupees and half. Half means again 50 paisa. So 6.50 or 6.50. Then next he brought a paint box, 25 rupees and 50 paise. So a paint box he brought one. What is the cost of that one paint box? 25 rupees and 50 paise. Nandu bought one of each article, prepare his bill. Now we have to prepare his bill. Means these many things he bought from the shop. So what amount he has to give or how much he has to pay to that shopkeeper. So what we have to do for that? Now in this way we have to arrange that amounts properly. See, while writing the 25, this 5 unit place and this 2 is the tens place, so 2 came this side. Okay, so see the arrangement and now we will add this all. Okay, so here 0, here 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, 15 plus 5 20. So 0, then carry 2. 4 plus 2 6, plus 1 7, 7 plus 6 13, 13 plus 5 Yes, 18. Okay. So 8 carry 1 and 1 plus 2 is the 3. This decimal point I will give as it is. Okay. When we add, though here decimal point is there, when we add, then our regular addition how we do, in that way only I have done. Okay. So this addition came 38 rupees and 0 paise, means 38 rupees. Now his total bill was 38 rupees. Now if Nandu gave 100 rupee note, how much money does he get back? So he has given 100 rupees note to the shopkeeper and his amount is only 38 rupees. So how much rupees he will get back? So what I have to do? I have to subtract this 100 minus 38.00 means only 38 also you can do. So how to do this subtraction? 100 minus 38. So many students do the mistakes in this also. Okay. So 0 minus 8 not possible. Here also from 0 we cannot borrow. So go to here 0, here 10. Now we can borrow. So here 9, here 10. 10 minus 8, 2. 9 minus 3, 6. And here 0. So what is answer? 62. So how much money does he get back? He will get rupees 62 back. Okay. So Nandu will get 62 rupees back. So in this way you have to write the example. You can see in textbook page number 29 of starting under the heading of decimal fractions, addition and subtraction. Under that heading, this Nandu went to a shop. From there till the how much money does he get back. After that example, you will prepare this bill and then you have to solve this example in this way. And final answer is the Nandu will get 62 rupees back. Okay. Next example is also there. This example you have to copy in your notebook.